So with regard to sensor accuracy, why is it so important to maintain it? What could be the consequences of inaccurate sensors, both for the end user and their client or their business?
So with the world now going greener, commissioning effectively, installing effectively, and maintaining a boiler effectively is very important. But also, if these analysers were out of sync or out in any way, shape or form, that means that the service of the boiler wouldn't be correct. So therefore, it wouldn't be efficient and it'd be burning excess fuel, which then can create more chance for toxic fumes to be in and around a living space. But more to the point, the fact that if it's not installed correctly, that it has catastrophic consequences. I know this is quite hard to say, but it could even mean death.
If you think about how that might affect you as like a plumber or a heating engineer, if you're responsible for some catastrophic incident, I mean, you're going to surely like suffer legally as well, aren't you?
Of course, and that's why the UK regulations, legislations on gas analysers are quite strict.
Concerning the sensors, what kinds of sensors are the flue gas analysers fitted with?
Yes, so they're fitted with your O2 sensor, which is a measured sensor, and your CO sensor, which is also a measured sensor. The CO2, it's calculated, but it also can be fitted with total NO for your NOx.
And that's the 030, isn't it?
It is, yes. With the 130, you have O2 sensor, your CO sensor, and a calculated CO2 sensor.
Yep.
Also, this has room for your third sensor, which would be low NOx or your total NOx.
Okay, thank you.